All right, team, today we're gonna go over the brand new Pit Boss 4-burner Ultimate Liftoff Griddle coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. Okay, like I said, we're gonna be going over and giving the first look on this brand new Pit Boss 4-burner griddle. I'm not gonna do an assembly video on this one because the last thing anybody wants to hear is me huffing and puffing, putting something together. So I'll leave that to other people. All right. So this one, we've already put it together. My son Trent helped me put it together in the garage. We brought it out here last night, and now we're gonna actually do the first cook, the first look at everything, and get it going. This is the ultimate griddle, everybody. Not only is it big, beastly 4 burners, it is portable. That's right, you can lift the lid off of this bad boy. All right, it has locking mechanisms on both sides, but you can lift off the whole cooking unit, put it on a tailgate or put it on a picnic table or whatever. It can travel with you. You don't have to take the whole thing with you. Team, also with the lift off feature, I recommend using 2 people when you're lifting off the griddle from the base. All right, it is very heavy. Okay, the griddle surface itself is probably about 80 pounds, and then the extra, obviously the cooking guts underneath it, where the burners are and all that jazz, is probably another 20-30 pounds. So you may be strong enough to do it, but it'll probably be easier if you had a partner to get it off and on. Okay, just from me to you, save your back. So that is one huge advantage with this griddle. And the other thing is a completely new proprietary cooking surface. It's ceramic coated, so there is no burn-in necessary. There is no seasoning that you need to do with this thing. There is just set the fire and make it happen, all right? We're gonna do a first cook on this one in this video. Of course, you know we're gonna do some smash burgers. That's just the way we roll. You get a new griddle, you do smash burgers, all right? I'm gonna go over some of the features on this insane looking griddle, all right? So obviously it's 4 burners. We have an ignition switch. We have a grease catch in the front. Of course, you know we got to have a bottle opener on it. And what I think is a cool little deal is the towel holder. So on the left side, underneath that shelf, you have a pull-out rack to hold your trash can or your trash bags. On the right side, you have another fold-up shelf. Underneath that is where you put your propane tank. There is a huge shelf on the bottom that unfortunately I bent when we were putting it together. It was not something that came this way. This was our fault for stepping wrong while we were putting things together, okay? So just remember that is not a step. It comes with this amazing lid. Shut it down, heavy duty, protects your griddle. And here's what I was talking about right here. Your griddle armor, non-stick, ceramic coated cooktop, easy to clean. That's one sticker I forgot to take off, but I will get it. I'm gonna bring it down. You can see the griddle surface right here. The next thing we're gonna do is just fire it up. So there's your grease catch, and then you go. Okay, really easy to clean up. Dig it. Huge surface. It is 647 square inches of cooking surface, which I'm sure you only need 646, but I think we could all agree that extra inch helps, right? Keep it PG in the comments, all right? Let's go ahead and start this cook. We'll check out the non-stick surface, that ceramic coating. You can use metal utensils on it. This is what's gonna protect it from scratches, rust. This is a really good one, all right? I have other griddles that are non-stick that you cannot use metal utensils with, and that is kind of a pain in the neck, right? So I'm gonna use metal spatula on this bad boy when we do our smash burgers. If you have any questions about this Pit Boss griddle, guys, go ahead and put them in the comments down below. I'll answer them as they come in and as best as possible. If I don't know anything about it, I will reach out to my guys at Pit Boss and they'll get back to me. Quick disclaimer, I am part of Team Pit Boss. This was sent to me for free, but I will give my honest opinions on how things go. If I don't like the surface or whatever, I will let you know. But I will give you my honest opinion before I put it out in front of you guys, of course. I'm not influenced by being part of Team Pit Boss. If something don't work, it don't work. I'll let you know, right? Let's go ahead and get these burgers ready and we'll get them on the griddle. We'll get it fired up. There's no need for a burn off per se. I've already cleaned the griddle surface and You know, we don't have to season anything, so we're gonna be good to cook. Once we get all the burners fired up, the griddle top will be hot and ready to go. We'll get those smash burgers made, and we'll be eating a good lunch. All right, come on back. Okay, guys, I just wanted to show you how to get this thing lit up. Each knob turns obviously individually, and this igniter works individually with each knob. Okay, so if you want to turn this one on, you push and turn it to the flame, hit the igniter. All right, flame is on. Say you want to use this one, your outside flame, turn it on, hit that igniter. All right, lights up that one. Same with these in the middle. You want to turn them all on. All right, just that simple, guys. Dig it, dig it, dig it. All right, team, we have our griddle fired up. We are ready to start cooking on it. Obviously, we always do smash burgers on the first griddle cook. I have some bacon too, some onions. So we're gonna do some griddled onions, bacon. Got some brioche buns that we're gonna get on the griddle to toast up. But we're gonna be eating real good. All right, team, let's go ahead and get this bacon on. It's got some old school Farmer John. Charlie, I don't know if you guys can hear him in the background. He smells bacon and comes running for sure. You do some big old thick strips. Besides smash burgers, you know you gotta do some bacon on the first cook. But we don't need to season this griddle, right? We're gonna put a little oil down over here for these onions. Got some sliced sweet onions in here. All right, we'll let those go, and then we'll get the burgers on. All right, team, the bacon is done. I've turned off this left burner, and we'll just move the bacon over there and the onions, because the onions are done too. We'll put those up. Got our onions done. Drag those through the bacon grease, because well, who's gonna stop me, right? You know, bacon makes everything better. And right now, all that bacon grease is going in the grease trap. I'm telling you what, that's liquid gold right there. Not that I'm gonna pull it out of the grease trap, but you could if you wanted to. All right, let's get these burgers on. All right, so we got these two burners on high. Let's go ahead and get these burgers on. These are just quarter-pound burgers. We'll go ahead and just leave that bacon fat in there. I cleared off most of it, but left those on. Add a little Uncle Steve's shake. We got some Lucky Cow. I'll put a link down below for Uncle Steve's stuff. And then we're gonna smash them. Got this nice smasher right here, and I always use whatever seasoning bottle I have as leverage. All right, I got that first one done. And the last one. Go ahead, get your buns on, start toasting them, because these burgers are gonna get done quickly. There's still a little bacon grease on there, so that'll help toast it up real nice. All right, these are about ready to flip. Look at that crustification. Guys, that is just gorgeous. That ain't a picture that you want to send home to mama. I don't know what to tell you. All right, for two of these, we're doing some cheddar. There we go, that one right there. We got the star. And then two, we are doing American cheese. Let's check on these buns. Yep, toasting up real nice. All right, we're gonna give this a quick shutdown, or let it melt real quick. Add a little convection heating in there. Not more than like 30 seconds. Okay, we're melted up pretty good. All right, guys, we're all done. These are looking awesome. We're gonna go ahead and build these burgers, and then we'll come talk about it. All right, you know that's a thing of beauty right now. Big old plate full of smash burgers. Tell me you don't love it. Hit that thumbs up because you love it. All right, team, we are all done. Great first cook. Those burgers were insane. Onions, bacon, cheese. Oh, you can't beat it. All right, you just can't. All right, so the easy part about cleaning this thing up, it's that non-stick ceramic coating. So all it's gonna take down is a wipe of a wet rag, empty out that grease trap, and we'll be ready to cook again. All right, just that simple. Y'all, I'm gonna put a link down below to Pit Boss so you can check out one of these griddles. They're not in stock yet, but they will be soon. So if you guys wanna get yourself one, I appreciate it if you use my link for it. You don't pay extra for it, but it helps out the channel. Okay, other than that, put your comments down below if you have any questions about this beast of a griddle, and I'll answer them as best as possible or find out the answers for you. All right, but that's it for this one, guys. I hope you have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.